is Norfolk, Wales. This is the famous place where families run business by growing tulips to provide for supermarkets and larger wholesalers. They grow their own tulips outdoors to help the bulbs develop, thus creating beautiful scenery which they want to share with their visitors and tourists as well. The fields have been located in various places in Norfolk. There are two major sites where you can find tulip fields in Norfolk. The first and most famous is the Belmont Nurseries in the town of Kingston. Here, each year, more than 60 million tulips are displayed between April and May. Annalyn Cognito Warren shares with us her experience with this beautiful scenery. The fields are ideal location to bring family and friends, whether they decide to take in the views and walk through the flower beds or even stare in your own photo shoot. There is plenty for everyone to enjoy. The flowers bloom in late April. Norfolk Fields is the only tulip field of this site in Wales, with views that compare to those in Holland.